Right now, I want to explain how fungi play a role in medicine. So the first role is producing antibiotic. Fungal colony, for example, P. Chrysogenum was found diffusing out penicillin from the mold and inhibit bacteria in year 1929. In 1942, a patient named A was suffering from staphylococcus infection and it was the right time to test out the penicillin. Right after the treatment, and was safe, and the penicillin antibiotic is known as therapeutic agent until now. Next, organic acid is also one of the role in medicine. For example, gibberellic acid, which is derived from Fusarium monophyll from forming gibberellin hormone as one of the plant growth regulator. Next is vitamin B2 or riboflavin, one of the important vitamin supplements for humans, can also be produced by a fungus called Erythromycin HPE. Moreover, fungus Aspergillus flavus playing a role in medicine by producing enzymes invertase to catalyze the hydrolysis of the sucrose to glucose and fructose. This enzyme prepare the medicine in syrups form that will not crystallize, and one of the example is the cough syrup.
Today I will talk about the role of fungi in industry. First, fungi are useful to produce building materials. For building materials, mycelium process engineering are able to make cheap, lightweight bricks. The blocks can then be used to make inexpensive but durable buildings. Mycelium is the thread-like vegetative part of mushroom, and the process of engineering involves using it as an adhesive. Mycelium is a bonding agent to hold together wood particles for paneling, as well as for durable, flame-retardant and lightweight packaging. Next, fungi also useful to produce leather products. Leather made from fungi is a revolutionary product made using a range of materials consisting exclusively of fungal mycelium. As opposed to traditional animal leather, bio-based leather can be grown in rather short time frames with a limited amount of resources, and the production is not wasteful. Furthermore, fungi also needed to produce cosmetic products. Shiitake and reishi mushrooms are two of the most popular mushrooms used in skincare products. Most of the non-activity of mushroom extracts in treating skin is in the realm of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity.
Now I will explain the role of fungi in agriculture. Firstly, arbuscula mycorrhiza. It functions as biofertilizer because it provides water, nutrient, and defense against pathogens to the host. Not only that, it improves soil quality because combining their fung as fungal origin enhance the water stability of soil aggregate and reducing soil erosions. Next, Trichoderma sp. It plays a role as biocontrol agent of plant disease such as root disease. For example, it's used to inhibit the root node and cyst nematode by eliminating nematode egg. Lastly, endophytic fungi. It plays a role as biotic stress tolerant as well as bioremediations and phytoremediations. It helps in improved soil quality by remove chemical toxic and contamination from soil and also environment. For example, Fusarium strains has been observed to trigger phytoremediations.
Fungi plays an important role in the food and food processor industry. There are about 3,000 main edible fungi species, but only approximately 200 of them are consumed by humans. Examples of edible fungi are enoki, shiitake, oyster, and button mushrooms. Mushrooms provide a good source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. They are also known to be rich in vitamin B, which helps in maintaining cardiovascular health. On the other hand, in the food processor industry, fungi is used to aid the production of certain foods. The most common usage of fungi in this industry includes the process of fermentation. For instance, shoyu, which is an Asian soy sauce originating from China, is a fermentation product from soybeans that are inoculated with the fungi Aspergillus oryzae. Tempeh is another good example, where legume seeds are boiled, cooled, and inoculated with Rhizopus oligosporus. There is also the Japanese soybean paste, miso. Similar to shoyu, miso requires the aid of Aspergillus oryzae, except polished rice is used instead of soybeans. Apart from fermentation, fungi is also used to give better taste and texture in certain foods. A good example would be the production of blue cheese. Did you know that the blue cheese was created by accident? It happened when a young boy left his cheese in a cave and the fungi Penicillium roqueforti grew using the cheese as a substrate. The boy was thrilled when he ate the cheese and realized it tasted better than before. In modern days, there are a variety of blue cheeses which uses different types of milk. Finally, another common food product is leavened bread, where the dough contains yeast and results in a nice light and fluffy texture.
Based on our discussion, we agree that the role of fungi in agriculture has the best potential for entrepreneurship. Agriculture is very important to sustain our food's availability and stock. We choose role of fungi in agriculture because we know that fungi can naturally exist in soil, since soil is one of the primary sources for growth. And this can help to decrease the cost for a beginner as an entrepreneur if they choose agriculture. Besides, crops are widely needed because they are our food stock. Fungi act as plant growth promoters because they can help farmers to increase their crop production. For example, Arbusculum mycorrhiza that grows in plant roots increases the absorption of nutrients, particularly phosphorus, and thus enhance the growth of crop plants. As a result, this can increase the yield production of the crops. These are the reasons we believe that the role of fungi in agriculture has the best potential for entrepreneurship. To conclude, fungi are very important to us and our environment. In terms of the economy, they can be very beneficial to humans. This is because of their role in medicine, industry, agriculture, and of course food production. Therefore, we should make use of fungi in our environment in a proper way so that we can fully benefit the importance of fungi towards us. Not to forget, we also need to thank all the researchers who have successfully found and make use of fungi for our needs in the future. Thank you.